Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wix Store's checkout and payment provider. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wix Store's checkout and payment provider, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of your store. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. Scroll down and select Accept Payments. You will see a list of payment methods available for your store. Choose the payment provider you wish to authenticate. Click on the Connect button next to your chosen payment provider. You will be redirected to the provider's login page. Enter your account credentials for the payment provider. Follow the prompts to grant Wix permission to access your payment account. After successful login, return to the Wix dashboard. Ensure your payment provider is now listed as connected. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu on the left. Click on Checkout to customize your checkout process. Review the settings for order confirmation and email notifications. Make any necessary adjustments to suit your business needs. Finally, test the checkout process to ensure everything is working smoothly. Place a test order to confirm payment processing is functional. Once verified, your Wix store is fully authenticated for checkout and payment processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.